2015 Dodge Dart. Oh, four-door. What we got done on this thing is loud. I just started it before we did the video. Factory converter up here, then flex pipe goes right here, and then we had a resonator on it we took off, ran scrape pipe in its place, and then it had a huge muffler that goes from here to here. We took it off and ran scrape pipes out one side. Usually comes duals, but when you run it out one side, it gets louder. So that's what we did for him. As you guys can see right there, it's got the sexy tips out the back. It is the Dart GT. So you know it's gonna be loud. Anything with GT is loud. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And here's the muffler that was on it. It's a center in, dual outlet. One on this side, one on this side. And there's the resonator that was on it that we cut off too. So we took both of those off and replaced them. So we'll let you guys hear it. Tell us what you think in the comments. And like always guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Dodge Dart, straight pipe. Guys, 111 on the beast. Dude, that sucker's loud, bro. It's got a rumble to it. That's like at 3,000 RPM only, guys. I like it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Dart. Fully straight pipe.